Good afternoon. So today we will practice a little bit of grammar. Okay. So everyone take out your copy and start writing down whatever I'm writing on the board. So the size of the board is a little bit small compared to my handwriting. So I'm able to write only 2 questions. First you write down these 2 questions, then we will proceed. Okay. So today we will be doing the gap filling. Gap filling means it is same like that clause passage. So there I will be giving one blank, and for that one blank you will be getting 4 options. Okay. So you have to select the correct option, you have to answer according to that. So first you write down these first 2 questions. Yes, Arpit, good afternoon. So first one is, it was a rainy day and the traffic dash busy on the road. It was a rainy day and the traffic dash busy on the road. Number 2 is a speeding, sorry it's not but, a speeding bus. A speeding bus dashed the car badly in the market. Okay? Okay, so the first one you are telling, it was a rainy day and the traffic dash busy on the road. The traffic was busy on the road. Yes. No, will be is not going to be here because we have to see the tense here. It was a rainy day. I'm talking about the past tense. It was. And I'm talking about that was day. Whatever happened in the past. So you have to maintain the past tense here. Okay, next. A speeding bus dashed the car badly in the market. Has hit, no. Okay. Hit. Yes, it will be hit. Because I'm talking in past tense, simple past tense I'm using. So here the simple past tense is this one. Did hit is not going here, it's not going with the sentence, otherwise this is also a simple past tense. Okay, so we are going to use only hit here. Okay, so you tell me if I can rub the board or you want to write down. Okay, you write down. You write down and I will see how many are there in the class today. Nandan Josh. Present. Amrita Banerjee. Prit Kumar. Ah. Suhana. Who is this Barbie doll? Who is Barbie doll? What is your original name, Barbie doll? I'm taking your attendance, but someone is named after Barbie doll. I really can't understand who is this Barbie doll. So you have to help me here. Yes, sir. Barbie doll. Someone's name is Barbie doll. Okay. Tell me when you are complete. I will rub and I will go for the next one. Okay, done? Fine. Okay, see this? For opening a bank account, you dash to select a bank of your choice. You are required, yes, you are required to select a bank of your choice. So this is the right option. you dash to visit the bank and contact the customer care officer there. Will, should, need, may. Need. Yes, because here we are getting a clue. You dash to. Need to is a modal verb. Okay. You can't say will to, should to, may to. So only need to will go with that. Okay, write down. I'm rubbing number 3. Okay. You dash to submit the required documents to the in charge there. You have to. Yes, you have to. Yes, here the most appropriate word is from these modals. For every modal we are using a to. We use ought to, need to, had to, have to. But here the most appropriate word is have. Okay. we dash eat a lot of sugar, but we dash any more. Think again. We dash eat a lot of sugar, but we dash any more. Need to. It will be need to. My option is need to and don't. Need to and don't. Didn't we are not using here because we are talking about the present. Our present condition is that we are not using that. We are not eating that. Therefore, we don't. And we need to. We need to have a lot of sugar, but we don't anymore. Okay, tell me this one. Yes, so here I have given one intentionally, purposely I have given the clues in this way. See, might is not happening. Very obviously, might is not happening. Need, have to, had to. Okay, everything is looking like similar, but I'm using the need here because to has already been given. But in the other option C, to has been given, mentioned in the option. Okay, so if we choose this option C, the sentence will become, you don't have to get. So this double to will come. So that will obviously not make the sentence proper. Even though have is also going with it, need is also going with it. So here as need is simply used here, so I will go for this need. So these are the tricks you need to understand. You have to look at every side. Okay. Number 6 answer. Number 6 answer is this one. This one is number 6 answer. And here it will be this one. Okay? Okay, so my class today will be till this much. I hope you are getting to understand. You have to practice this kind of exercises more and more. Wherever you get this kind of multiple choice grammar exercise, you keep on practicing. Okay.